Are you looking to make money online? Look no further. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with rewardy app. The rewardy app is one app that helps you to make money online by subscribing to their YouTube channel, liking their videos, and taking some tax on their platform. You can also claim bonuses on this platform and be rewarded with points. So let's go to the video. Let me show you how you can make money with rewardy app. This is how the platform looks like. From this platform, you can complete offers, earn points by completing offers, playing games, participating in surveys, and more. Number 2 here is to climb the leaderboard, win additional prizes by being among the top 100 daily earners and rewardy. Watch streams. Watch your favorite Twitch streamer and get points on every minute you watch. Listening to music. Earn points by listening to radio music, talk shows, news, and concerts. Get rewarded for every 10 minutes you listen. Watch clips. Earn points to watch shorts and trending clips. Get reward for every minute you watch. Flappy Birds. Show off your skills in the Flappy Bird games and win points. The top 25 players will get rewarded daily. Take quizzes. Complete short and fun quizzes in exchange of points and watch time. Daily challenge. Receive extra points for being active and using rewardr daily. Invite friends. For every user you invite, you earn 5% of all their offer was earning for a lifetime. Join raffles. Enter the raffles that runs every 6 hours to have a chance of winning 1,500 points. Bonus points. Complete some tasks and easy bonus tasks and get rewarded with points. So this is how to make money on rewardy by watching streams, climbing the leaderboard, completing offers, listening to music, watching clips, taking quizzes, daily challenges, inviting friends, joining raffle, and bonus points. So how do we get this app? To get this app, we'll have to go to Play Store, type rewardy, So type rewardy, click on search, and this is rewardy app. So I'll have to click to update this app. This is how rewardy app looks like. I recently updated it. This is how it looks like. You can complete offers, take survey, quizzes, and you can also invite friends. To withdraw your money, you can withdraw your money with Litecoin, PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Visa, Amazon, or Roblox. This is the leaderboard. This is my account. So let me click on cash out. So to cash out on rewardy app, you must have a minimum amount of 5,000 points. You must have a minimum amount of 5,000 points. That is how you can cash out on this app. This is how you can make money on rewardy app. If you have gotten value from the video you watch right now, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get notified. Thank you.